up, guys? POV drive. I hope you can hear me. I'm holding it. I hope you guys can hear me, and I hope this video goes well. Oh my goodness. Really? I wish I had a GoPro or something. That would make so much easier. I hope it sounds good. One of the mics is literally taped to my rear diffuser right now, so, or my bumper, somewhere back there. Oh my gosh, seriously. We got the sport displays on the dash. I've never really even driven with this horsepower. Let's see. Okay. So I don't know how to utilize all 400 horsepower. I guess I gotta give it more than that. What's the best angle? Is this the best? Is this the best? Is this the best? Oh, I'm going. Let me lock in. I have no idea what this sounds like, so I'm just really hoping it sounds good. Video of the cold. Wait, see if you can hear the intake. Listen. Oh, it sounds so good. It's like loud sneezes. Once we get off my county road, the speed limit's only like 50 though, so that's all we'll be going up to, which is fine. Oh, I just got a notification. Solana is above $150. Let's go. Sport Plus, we got the Alpina Dash right now. What do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about the Alpina Dash? Something like that. I don't know what the exhaust sounds like right now. I hope my mic is still on. If it's not, I'm cooked because this mic's like $100. What does that noise mean? That's my freaking dash cam. My dash cam's making weird noises. Oh. You know, my dash cam doesn't like something. My dash cam really doesn't like something that's near me. Wow, my dash cam is acting up. What's going on here? Sorry, I just had to put my head down because my phone is actually on a head mount right now. I'm not holding it. What are we doing, Tesla? What are we doing, Tesla? Alright, what lane do I want to do? Let's just risk it and go with the Tesla lane, I guess. We'll stick around back here and see what's up. It's so weird. I can literally talk into my phone, but it doesn't matter because I have wireless mics on. So we're just sitting behind this Tesla, and I hope no one looks at me from like in a car next to me because I literally just have a phone attached to my head, which is crazy. But yeah, here's what we got here. We got PSI We got the oil temps, which are looking pretty nice and high. G-forces, pounds-foot of torque, and of course horsepower. What's up? And yeah, here's a better close look at the dash. 333 miles with that much left is good. I filled up my tank and I had like 420. That's how good I treated my last tank. I love the Sport Plus because it has the green. And we have the pink. We're rocking the pink right now, so yeah. Any day now we'll get a green light. It's cool though. I wonder if you can hear me over the exhaust. Oh, the intake sounds crazy. Sounds crazy. We gotta do an intake POV drive next. Oh, Porsche. I kind of gave myself a little interior detailing. Clean my steering wheel up, clean this up, clean the door jams up down there, over there, the door here. Looks all nice. Shout out to Revival Auto Care for that. Shout out to Revival. I use their interior cleaner as well as their interior, or not even interior, but their two brush set as well. Big body. Oh God. Rev hang up. Going to D. Oh my God. My dash cam does that if I'm too close to something. That's why it's making that noise. Oh yeah. Dude. There we go. I just made my dash cam be quiet. Someone walking an Audi at the car wash over there. A kid. The sneezes are so... It's just like a deep sneeze that comes from the intake. Oh, it's so nice. If this ends up getting posted, look, wait, this is valves open. Let me show you valves closed. Okay, the valves are closed now. Oh, the intake's so much louder now. Oh my gosh, the intake sounds crazy with the exhaust quiet. Alright, let me open the valves again. I'm just tapping the brake a little hard because it like forces it out. Oh, we're not gonna make this arrow. Wait, we might. Oh, we are. We're making this arrow. Let's go. Force. You guys gotta get an intake POV with the mic up there. Oh, dude, what do the pops sound like back there? I can't wait to watch this back. Mercedes Benz in the mirror. Oh no, please don't look at my phone. Stop sign. Bang. All the way up to the speed limit. Don't speed. Don't even go fast at all in residential. Matter of fact. I hope this sounds good enough to post. I'm in eco. Actually, I hope this isn't the end, but I'll see you guys in the next time I talk to you guys, okay? Hopefully this sounds good. Peace.